Okay, this is the packing way, carton box packing for the single tube confetti mid paper machine. And we open the carton box and check. This machine with this plastic angle is standard packing way. One box has 2 machines inside and the packing weight is 5.5 kilogram. Okay, you can see the packing weight is very good. And this is the power cable, DMX cable, and remote controller. And this is the machine. Now I put one machine here. Let's see. And this is the DMX cable, power cable, and the remote controller. This is power switch, fuse, power input, DMX in and DMX out, LCD display. And this one, you can change the angle, the jet angle, and you can fasten this screw. Then you change the jet direction. And this machine did have a small hole for the aluminum clamps. And this socket is for the confetti paper tube. And this is the indicator lamp. If the connection have problem, this light will not turn on. And this is the confetti paper tube for this model. And you push this power cable to this socket and connect the power cable. And turn on the switch. And the control way have 2 types. The first one use the DMX cable. The first one use DMX cable to connect to the DMX controller. And second one, you use the remote controller. And this machine only have 1 channel. If you use the DMX controller, you push channel 1, this paper tube will jet. If you want to use remote controller, you better pull this DMX cable out. No connect the DMX cable to the DMX controller. If you connect the DMX, then the DMX is first, and the remote controller is no response. If you want to use remote control, you disconnect the DMX cable and use this one only. Remember? And for export, normally we are not put the battery here, not put the battery together. When you receive the remote controller, you can purchase this small battery from your local shop, and this size is 23 ampere and 12 voltage. This is a very common battery, very common. Now I show you how to use this single tube confetti paper machine. You connect the paper tube and fasten. Connect the power cable to the socket and push the power switch, and you can see D001. This is DMX address. Connect the DMX cable. And this machine only one channel. Only one channel. Let's see. I push channel 1. I push channel 1. See. This machine also supports the remote control, and this mainboard is same to the 4-tube mainboard, 4-tube model. So the remote controller is same, and when you press this button, it will jet. Now let's see.